I have a big announcement today. My book, One Simple Idea, now has over 1,000 five-star reviews, and I want to thank each and every one of you for writing those reviews. But there's a few reviews on there that just aren't very nice. Don't buy. He makes it sound as easy as drawing your idea on white paper using Crayolas and going to a company and asking them to license it. Yeah, it seems impossible to me too. Here's another 1 star. Don't waste any more money on anything by this author. Well, I'm really glad I didn't read that review because I wrote all these other books. This one's from Bradley, and he gave me 2 stars. Thank you. I didn't receive it yet. Then why did he give me 2 stars? Okay, this Amazon customer wrote, he gave me 2 stars, written like a 3rd grade book that doesn't go anywhere. Well, I barely passed 2nd grade, so I'm pretty happy I wrote a book at all. Okay, this one's from Rip Steele. He gave me 2 stars, and he said, Steve, you're selling picks and shovels to pioneers. A lot of fluff. He invented a book with little material. Now, wait a minute. There's over 250-something pages. Not impressed. He gave me 1 star. Jerry, 49. And Jerry says, seems like there's more and more of these sucker books coming online since self-publishing has become so commonplace. Well, Jerry, it's McGraw-Hill. This wasn't self-published. What are you talking about? You drive me crazy with that comment. Do a little bit of homework. This is one of my favorite. It's from Longtime Inventor. He gave me 2 stars. Nothing special. Take your money and buy a big, greasy cheeseburger. It's better for you. I like cheeseburgers. I love cheeseburgers. Is it good for you? No, a cheeseburger's not good for you. The book is better than a cheeseburger. Come on, give me a break here. All right, I want to thank everybody for purchasing One Simple Idea and writing those glowing reviews, because today we have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Amazon.